Finbox Investing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Finbox is a powerful stock research and valuation platform designed for fundamental investors, providing advanced financial data, valuation models, and screening tools. It helps users analyze stocks based on fair value estimates, financial metrics, and institutional-grade data. With access to over 100,000 models, Finbox is ideal for investors looking to make data-driven decisions and uncover undervalued stocks. Key features. 1. Stock valuation models provides pre-built discounted cash flow, DCF models, relative valuation, and more. 2. Customizable stock screener filter stocks based on valuation, growth, profitability, and other key metrics. 3. Institutional-grade data aggregates financials, analyst forecasts, and market data from reliable sources. 4. Fair value estimates uses algorithm-driven valuation models to determine if a stock is overvalued or undervalued. 5. Watch lists and alerts set up stock watch lists and receive notifications on price changes and valuation shifts. 6. API and Excel integration. Advanced users can pull financial data into their own models for deeper analysis. 7. Global stock coverage. Access insights on US and international markets. Strengths. Deep fundamental analysis. Great for long-term investors focused on valuation. Institutional-level data for retail investors. Affordable access to premium research tools. User-friendly interface. Despite its depth, the platform is easy to navigate. Stock screener with powerful filters helps identify opportunities efficiently. Excel and API support. Ideal for investors who prefer working with spreadsheets. Weaknesses. No direct trading. Finbox is for research, not executing trades. Subscription required for full features. Free version is limited. Not ideal for short-term traders. Designed for value and fundamental investors rather than day traders. Final verdict. Finbox is an excellent tool for investors who prioritize valuation models and deep fundamental analysis. It's best suited for those who want data-driven insights to find undervalued stocks. While it doesn't support direct trading, its robust research tools make it a valuable resource for serious investors. If you're looking for a reliable stock valuation platform, Finbox is worth exploring. Links are in the description if you want to check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching.